we introduce the Kawasaki Robotics YF003N and YF002N. The YF series high-speed pick-and-place robots can be used for pick-and-place and sorting applications in a variety of industries, including food, pharmaceutical, cosmetics and electronics. The Y-series robot's wide motion range, high processing capability and accuracy help speed up production lines. The YF003N model is designed for washdowns and can be used with food-grade grease and oil, making it ideal for applications that require a hygienic environment. The Kawasaki Robotics Y-series can easily be connected to a vision system for maximum precision and flexibility. The YF003N and the YF002N. Discover the world of Kawasaki Robotics.